Traditional welding monitoring systems miss critical real-time cooling rate data, leaving weld quality to chance. But cooling rate is everything. It shapes the mechanical properties of your weld. Fast cooling, hard and brittle welds prone to cracks. Slow cooling, weak soft welds that don't hold up. The sweet spot? Tough, ductile, and stronger welds. The XIR 1800 and its cooling time tool deliver precise, real-time insights into cooling rates, right on your production line. No more guesswork, just better welds and improved efficiency. Cooling time, the secret to great welds.